20 nutritional myths that will surprise you. Scrolling through social media, reading your favorite magazine, or visiting popular websites exposes you to endless information about nutrition and health, most of which is incorrect. Even qualified health professionals, including doctors and dietitians, are to blame for spreading misinformation about nutrition to the public, adding to the confusion. Here are 20 of the biggest myths related to nutrition, and why these antiquated beliefs need to be put to rest. 1. Calories in, calories out is all that matters when it comes to weight loss. The calories in, calories out theory doesn't account for several variables that may prevent someone from losing weight. Many factors, such as genetics, medical conditions, and metabolic adaptations, make weight loss much harder for some. 2. High-fat foods are unhealthy. Many high-fat foods are extremely nutritious and can help you maintain a healthy weight. 3. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Eating breakfast is not necessary for everyone. Health benefits are associated with both eating breakfast and skipping it. 4. You need to eat small, frequent meals for optimal health. Eating frequent meals throughout the day is not the best way to promote weight loss. Research shows that a regular meal pattern may be best for health. 5. Non-nutritive sweeteners are healthy. Non-nutritive sweeteners may lead to adverse health outcomes, such as an increased risk of type 2 diabetes and negative changes to gut bacteria. 6. Macronutrient ratio matters more than diet quality. Although tweaking macro ratios can be helpful in some ways, the most important way to promote overall health is to follow a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods, regardless of the macro ratio. 7. White potatoes are unhealthy. White potatoes are a nutritious carb choice, just be sure to enjoy them in more healthful ways, such as roasted or baked. 8. Low-fat and diet foods are healthy alternatives. Low-fat and diet foods are typically high in sugar and salt. Unaltered higher-fat alternatives are often the healthier choice. 9. Supplements are a waste of money. Supplements are useful and often necessary in many populations. The use of common medications, age, and certain medical conditions are just some of the reasons why supplements may be needed for some people. 10. Following a very low-calorie diet is the best way to lose weight. Very low-calorie diets lead to metabolic adaptations that make long-term weight maintenance difficult. 11. You have to be skinny to be healthy. Though obesity increases your risk of disease, you don't have to be skinny to be healthy. Rather, maintaining a healthy body weight and body fat percent by consuming a nutritious diet and maintaining an active lifestyle is most important. 12. Calcium supplements are necessary for bone health. Although medical professionals commonly prescribe calcium supplements, current research shows that these supplements may do more harm than good. 13. Fiber supplements are a good substitute for high-fiber foods. Fiber supplements should not be used as a replacement for nutritious, high-fiber foods. 14. All smoothies and juices are healthy. Many store-bought juices and smoothies are packed with added sugar and calories. 15. Everyone can benefit from a probiotic. Current research suggests that probiotic supplements may not benefit everyone and should not be prescribed as a one-size-fits-all supplement. 16. Weight loss is easy. Weight loss is difficult for most people and requires consistency, self-love, hard work, and patience. Many factors may influence how easy it is for you to lose weight. 17. Tracking calories and macros is necessary for weight loss. Although tracking calories may help some people lose weight, it's not necessary for everyone and may lead to disordered eating tendencies. 18. High cholesterol foods are unhealthy. High cholesterol foods like eggs and full-fat yogurt are highly nutritious. Although genetic factors make some people more sensitive to dietary cholesterol, for most people, high cholesterol foods can be included as part of a healthy diet. 19. Eating disorders only affect women. Eating disorders affect both men and women. However, eating disorders present differently in men than women, highlighting the need for eating disorder treatments that are better adapted to the male population. 20. Carbs make you gain weight. Including healthy carb choices in your diet won't make you gain weight. However, following unhealthy eating patterns and overindulging in carb-rich sugary foods will lead to weight gain.